OPPO has launched its new 5G phone under A series in China called OPPO A97 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the OPPO A97 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of RAM that can be extended up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the OPPO A97 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 48MP main camera along with the 2MP secondary lens. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has stereo speakers tuned by Dirac for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OPPO A97 has been priced in China at 2099 Chinese yuan, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 15th in deep sea blue and 9 black color options. So what do you guys think of this OPPO A97 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSurBug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.